Welcome to a place where architecture meets serenity, where clean lines, natural light, and modern design come together to create something truly exceptional. Today, let us take you inside a home that redefines open living. With a kitchen that opens to the heart of nature, and an outdoor space that feels like a private resort. Step inside this elegant open-concept kitchen where form and function live in harmony. The space is flooded with daylight, thanks to expansive skylights and floor-to-ceiling windows. A large marble island anchors the room, finished in smooth white stone with subtle veining. Surrounding it, custom oak cabinetry offers both warmth and modern simplicity. Look closer, the finishes are matte, soft to the eye. The lines are clean, the appliances fully integrated. This is more than a kitchen, it's a design statement. With a single movement, the indoors dissolve into the outdoors. Oversized glass doors slide away, revealing a green courtyard just steps from the island. There's no threshold here, no break in tone or texture. The home breathes with the garden, inviting you to cook, gather, and unwind in a seamless flow. It's a connection to nature that doesn't feel forced, it feels effortless. At the center of the home lies the courtyard, a private oasis, alive with texture and tranquility, shaped by clean stone paths, trimmed shrubs, and a gentle water feature. Every detail is intentional. The garden doesn't just sit outside, it becomes part of your daily rhythm. Sunlight filters through the leaves, while shadows dance on white gravel below. Here, peace is not an escape, it's a built-in design element. As we move beyond the garden, we arrive at an outdoor living lounge that rivals any luxury resort. Soft white cushions invite you to relax. The overhead pergola filters golden light. Surrounding it all are native plants and timeless textures: rattan, concrete, warm wood. This is outdoor living with purpose, stylish, comfortable, and deeply connected to the home's architecture. From the kitchen to the courtyard to the open sky, this home flows like a conversation, effortless, elegant, and entirely intentional. Designed not just to be seen, but to be felt. Thank you for joining us. For more dream home inspiration, don't forget to subscribe and step inside a new vision of modern living.